Here's how to enable voicemail on Android phone in just 1 minute. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to set it up so you never miss an important message. First, open your phone app and tap the three-dot menu in the corner. Select Settings, then Voicemail. Tap Setup or Voicemail Number. Most phones fill this in automatically, but you can confirm with your carrier if needed. Save the settings and return to the main screen. Another quick way is to hold down the 1 key on your dial pad to access your voicemail inbox directly. Once enabled, callers can leave messages when you're unavailable, keeping you connected and making sure nothing important slips through. Following these steps will have your voicemail active and ready in just a minute, giving you peace of mind that all your messages are being received and stored properly. And that's it! You can now enable voicemail on Android phone in just 1 minute.